What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. I'm going to be making today some chickpeas and a curry. It's going to be a vegan recipe today. I'm also using some sweet potatoes. We're going to cook it up in the wok and make some delicious smoky curry flavors. So let's get right to it. Okay, so let me go over the ingredients that we're going to be using for this recipe. First, I have here, this is some sweet peppers. You guys can use red bell peppers or whatever you like. I just used them because this is what I had on hand. They're sweet salad peppers. I have about probably 8 to 10 cloves of finely minced fresh garlic. 1/2 of a large red onion minced. 2 Roma tomatoes diced. 1 can of organic coconut milk. 1 can of organic garbanzo beans, and these are from Great Value. I think this is a Walmart brand, and they're actually bringing a whole bunch of affordable organic products now. I'm using 1 large sweet potato, probably about 3 cups of sweet potatoes cut into about 1-inch cubes. Your favorite hot sauce, I'm using this iguana sauce. It's supposed to be really hot, but it depends on what you like for heat. I'm using this. About 1 cup of carrots, and they're cut into half moons. Salt. Cooking oil, peanut oil in that case. I'm using cumin as an addition to the curry because I actually really like the cumin flavor in the curry, so I want to intensify it a little bit. If you guys don't like cumin so much, you can just add curry. You don't have to add the extra cumin, but that's just me personally. I have 1 cup of tomato paste. And that's really about it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to our wok and start with our aromatics. Okay, so we're going to start with about 1 tablespoon of peanut oil. First thing we're going to add is our minced garlic, onion, pepper, and let that sweat just for about a half a minute or so, and then we're going to add our diced tomatoes. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. Then we'll go ahead and add the sweet potato. And we're going to add our carrots. I'm going to saute this a little bit just to soften it up a little bit. Then we're going to add our sauce. I'm going to saute it for about 2 minutes or so. Okay guys, so now that I've sauteed the sweet potato and the carrots a bit, I'm going to go ahead and add our tomato sauce, tomato paste, and the coconut milk. Go ahead and start mixing this in. Now we're gonna add about a half a teaspoon, about a teaspoon of curry. And a pinch of cumin. Salt. A half a teaspoon or so of salt. I'm gonna stir it. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes soften up and the sauce reduces. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in our garbanzo beans. So we're gonna let it go medium for 15 to 20 minutes to reduce. Then we're gonna come back, add our garbanzo beans and our hot sauce and give it a final taste and serve. Okay, so we cooked this for about 20 to 25 minutes and reduced the sauce until the sweet potato is cooked. You can just touch it and it breaks. So now that we have the sweet potato completely done, we're going to go ahead and add our chickpeas in, a little bit of water, and reduce it for another 10 minutes. And we will be ready to serve. If you want to put scallions or anything else in here, you can also add that. Cilantro goes great. You put some eggs if you wanted to. If you weren't doing vegan, you could add some eggs in here and cook them in the curry. It will be totally delicious also. So we're gonna give it another 10 minutes now to reduce a little bit more, and then we're gonna go ahead and serve it. Okay, so the chickpea and sweet potato curry is at the consistency where I want it. It's been reduced for another 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some of our hot sauce, give it some heat, about a teaspoon. This stuff is pretty hot. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in, stir it, and give it one final taste right before serving. And we should be ready to serve. We're going to serve this over quinoa. You can certainly serve it over rice or even have it as is. And like I said, top it off with some beautiful green cilantro. And you could add many combinations to this recipe. Alright guys, so I'm going to serve this with some nice fluffy white quinoa. You can do it with rice, certainly, jasmine rice, whatever you like. Or you could serve it just like is and eat it like this. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. That looks absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give this curry with quinoa a try for you guys and let you know how it tastes. It smells really, really good. It's got so much flavor. The curry is coming right through. It's spicy. It's smoky. I get the cumin. It's got the sweet potato thickened that sauce really, really nice. It's got a nice consistency. Wow. So much flavor in this recipe. Absolutely delicious. It's got to be one of my favorite vegan recipes so far.